Here's the 60-second script. Ever wondered if an infinite sum actually lands on a real number or just blows up forever? That question powers everything from physics simulations to financial modeling. Our Infinite Series Convergence Calculator gives you the answer instantly. Just plug in your series formula, set your starting index, and choose a convergence test: ratio, root, integral, or comparison. Hit calculate and you'll see whether your series converges or diverges, plus the exact limit if it exists. Here's a quick example. Enter the series 1 over n squared, starting at n equals 1. The calculator confirms convergence and returns pi squared over 6, the famous Basel problem solved in seconds. Whether you're a student cramming for an exam or an engineer validating a model, this tool does the heavy lifting so you can focus on understanding the result. Try it free right now. Link is right below this video.
Word count 1 2.